picture shows inside of an atom which consists of nucleus, orbit, and electron. The structure of the atom consists a nucleus in the center surrounded by layers of electrons. These layers are called shell. The first shell is called K, the second shell L, followed by M, N, O, P, and Q. The electrons in the outermost shell are called valence electrons. The maximum number of electrons that different orbits contain is given below. K1 equal to 2 electrons, L2 equal to 8 electrons, M3 equal to 18 electrons, N4 equal to 32 electrons, O5 equal to 50 electrons, P6 equal to 72 electrons, and Q7 equal to 98 electrons. For example, copper has 29 atomic number. Refer to the periodic table in figure 4. Determine the numbers of electrons in each shell. K shell equal to 2, L shell equal to 8, M shell equal to 18, N shell equal to 1. Therefore, 2 plus 8 plus 18 plus 1 equal to 96. Electrons carry a negative charge of the same magnitudes as the proton. Electrons also are arranged in energy levels or shells around the nucleus. From the example, a carbon atom has 8 electrons. To calculate the electron of an atom, the basic formula is 2 times n power of 2, which is n is number of shells. The table below is periodic table. The symbol of an atom is located at the center. The element mean is located at the bottom. The proton number is located at upper left, and relative atomic mass is located at upper right.